Hello everyone, this is Chris with an X. Today I'm going to be going over arrays. Last time we went over loops. Now we'll be applying loops to affect an array. An array, on page 77 of our book, is a sequence of elements or bits of data, each with an index number associated with them. So if, for example, you wanted to find the placement of the letter C in a bunch of letters in the alphabet. So in this case, we're going to say our array is the alphabet. So in this case, we're going to actually have a range value of 0 to 7, since we always know that the very first bit of data for our array will always be 0. In our class, we'll be using what's known as the pixel array. This is when we take a picture and we're using the array of all the pixels in that image. So let me type in all my code that I'm going to be presenting to you today. Pardon for the singing. Let me pull up my picture of my dog. So now we have 2 pictures. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking this loop here, and we're going to be affecting this point to this point and all the pixels in between. So onto our example. In this case, I'll be turning the picture of my dog here into a monochrome picture. How might I be doing this? I'll be using what we call a quote-unquote filter in our class. And we will be running a loop, which is this while function here, against our array, which is our array length, or the max number of pixels we have in our image. Now remember last time we had a loop that continued to a specific number. This time we'll be having the loop start at 0, as mentioned here, and then all the way to our pixel array. So as you can see, we now have 2 pictures. One normal, one monochrome off the color lapis lazuli. Now, since we're using the explore method name against our object reference, we can see the color values for these pictures. So I'm going to pull up my Excel spreadsheet for you guys, showing you the calculations for my method, which, if you can't guess, is modifying our original grayscale method and applying actually the values of lapis to it, resulting in a colored monochrome versus just modifying a single integer like red. So as you can tell, we start off at the 0, 0 pixel, and we have the values 20, 42, 42, and 32 at this location, which in turn right here gives us a average value of 38, which when modified, adding in our lapis values, we'll be getting, matching here, 77, 135, and 194. Now, since we're doing an array, I'm also going to have you guys look at a different set of values. So we're going to go to row 55, or x55, and row and column 23. So I'm going to apply this to both again, so that way you can see what happens. Now, we have new values of 24, 33, and 32. Oops. Okay. And for some reason, if I type in everything correctly. Now, as you can tell, our new pixels in our array will be affected the same way, since in our while loop, we did it for every single pixel in this array. And so, you can tell, all these pixels now have the same effect as I had in my very first pixel. Hope this, let's see here. I know this is quick, and I hope you enjoyed. Have fun, everyone, and try to stay sane. Bye!